Yo, Code Pilots! Welcome to Part 8 of the Python OOP Masterclass. We've covered encapsulation, and now we're exploring composition. This will be detailed, so hit that like button and let's dive in. Let's start with what composition is. Composition is a way to build complex objects by combining simpler ones, like assembling a car from an engine and wheels. Unlike inheritance, it focuses on has-a relationships rather than is-a. This makes code more flexible and reusable. It helps avoid deep inheritance trees. Let's see why this could simplify our projects. Why use composition? It lets us swap parts easily. If a car needs a better engine, we just replace it without rewriting the whole class. This is handy in real-world scenarios like modular design. We'll use a car with an engine to explore this. Let's think about how this differs from inheritance. Let's create an engine class first. Use class engine with def init self power to set self power and def state self to print engine starting with self.power HP. The def init syntax here initializes the object with a power value. Let's include it. Now let's build a car class using composition. Use class car with def underscore init self brand engine to set self brand and self engine equals engine. Add def start self to call self engine start. The self engine assignment composes the car with an engine object. Let's add this. Let's consider the benefit. Composition lets us change the engine type without altering car. A practical edge over inheritance. We can test this later with different engines. Let's move forward with the concept. Let's add a wheel class. Use class wheel with def init self size to set self size and def rotate self to print wheel rotating at self size inches. The def init syntax sets up the wheel size. Let's add it. Update car to use composition with wheels. Add a list self.wheels equals wheel 16 for underscore init. The list comprehension here creates 4 wheels. The for underscore in range for loop iterates 4 times without using the variable. Let's set this up. Let's add a drive method to car. Use def drive with self to call self.wheels rotate. The dot notation self.wheels accesses the first wheel. Let's include it. Let's enhance engine with a stop method. Use def stop self to print engine stopped. This simple method adds more functionality. Let's add it. Update car to use stop. Add def stop to call self engine dot stop. The dot notation self engine dot stop accesses the composed objects method. Let's include it. Let's reflect on the flexibility. Composition shines when you need to test parts separately or swap them, like changing an engine. This modularity is key in real projects. Let's move to the next step. Let's add a practical note. You could extend this by adding a transmission class and composing it into car. That's a real-world approach to building complex systems. Let's wrap up the concept. That's a wrap for Part 8, Code Pilots. You've mastered composition with car examples. Like this, subscribe, and try building with composition. See you in Part 9. Keep coding.